That's a pretty bird.
Yeah. It'd be even prettier if it started eating mosquitoes
I know.
by the thousands.
Wow.
Yeah, that's 4 acres.
Oh. Dude, that bridge is loud.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, step. Oh, brother.
Says we're only 16-minute drive away from Tink Hole, the other Chinese grocery store we didn't go to.
Really?
Yeah, we're most of the way there already.
You want to go?
If you want to.
Sure, we can go.
All right, well, like I said, when we can get to the left to the main trail, we'll wrap this walk up and do half-price books.
And then head over there.
Head over there.
Okay. Oh, we're going under what? 180 you said?
480.
480. Going under 480 is the bridge. So loud. Uh-oh.
Yeah, let's go this way.
Where? Crazy. So cool though.
Start your watch because we're on the way back.